My name is Rex Hook. I'm the Senior Reliability Manager at Anchor Glass Container Corporation. The primary focus for us, being a 24/7, 365 operation, is to mitigate downtime as much as we can. We also have some applications where safety comes into play, be it temperature, height, where if we can mitigate some of that, potentially to just evaluate the frequency of PMs. Are they adequate? Are they too much? Not enough? In our pilot, there was 2 distinct saves for probably an avoidance of maybe $200,000 worth of downtime, not to mention the impact on production and the recovery time. Understanding the failure early and being able to take the downtime instead of recover from the downtime, it goes a long way to mitigate downtime on critical assets. For me, in the environment that we're in, moving towards data-driven reliability versus rounding or frequency-driven reliability is key. It's labor savings, it's uptime of the equipment. Let the equipment dictate and tell us when it needs to be serviced. The sensor can be in an unsafe environment in the cold or in the heat, and the reading is going to be the same. It's not going to call in. It's not going to be absent. That data is going to be there. They can interface and let the equipment talk to them instead of them trying to manage the performance of the equipment. Seeing those subtleties, it starts to pique one's curiosity and makes them want to know. You want to dig a little deeper. Out of the 5 facilities, we have Oklahoma, Minnesota, Indiana, New York, and Georgia. There's definitely a big differential at times in temperature or humidity or those type of things that definitely can have an impact on an operation. Predictive monitoring, people are starting to understand the true capability of what we may be able to do over time. I think we can spend time better doing things that matter. Building a corporate dashboard so that I can overlay one facility against the other and look at similar asset performance and be able to do that comparison that before may have been over the phone or would probably not happen at all. We have many facilities that have very similar assets, so being able to compare consumption of energy, vibration, we can truly measure and truly monitor and even detect, is it a process problem, not an asset problem? I think it opens the door for a whole new train of thought and approach to solving some problems. The predictive maintenance, it's twofold. The tacit knowledge is leaving the industry, but the new generation is every bit as inquisitive as the older generation. It allows them the opportunity to dig a little bit deeper and to think and to ask questions, to build something different, build something better. The next generation is also a lot more digital and they're a lot more technical savvy than maybe the outgoing generation. Ideally, the intent is less time rounding, less time being reactionary, more time being proactive or making improvements.